Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Hello, hi, assalamualaikum viewers. This is Decor Life signing in once again in front of you. Welcome back to my channel. Viewers, hope you all are fine. Viewers, today I am going to show you a very interesting ideas of gardening, which are pot plants. I mean to say fence pots gardening ideas. So must watch my video till end for these wonderful and amazing ideas. Viewers, as you can see that each and every idea has a pots on the walls or on the fence, and you can see how these are managed and hangs on the walls. These are the very wonderful ideas, as you can see on your screens. You can place it on in your homes also, in your balconies also, and in your garden also. See, this one is a tree with the pots, and this one is a racks and a stand with the pot, and this is fence pot garden on the wall. Viewers, this one is also a fence garden. This one is also placed in the balcony or on the wall of living room or any other else where you want to place it. This is with the table racks, and this one is also a rack with the pots. You can place these ideas anywhere at the homes. That's why I bring to you this type of fence pot gardens. Viewers, you can see amazing ideas. Keep watching my ideas till end, and write us which idea you like the most, and which thing you will want to like to see at my channel. So inshallah we will fulfill your demand. This one is amazing for the Valentine also, and this is also one a tree